Should not fall in love.
좋아요.
What it made me
If you
become.
related to
I let you
convert
get
the
too
already changed position
close.
X to the
Just to
that's
wake
why
up
Y.
alone. And I know you think you can run. Scared to believe I'm the one. I just can't let you go. I let the world go. Let the world go. This is how it always happens. I can't find
Ngayon, yung ginagamit ko ngayon, yung kaninang na-convert ko bago ko siya nagbigay yung Adobe. Yung...
Ay, pero kanina pa daw niya kasi binili eh. Kanina pa daw niya
Oo.
ano.
Is no, bago kasi pinili ni sir, nakapag-download na ako, nakapag-convert na ako dun sa may free na downloader. Nauna na
So,
yun.
kailan mo na lang gagamitin? Sasabihin ko.
Mamaya, hindi pa rin mamaya. Pag natapos ko na list ko itong ini-edit kasi ini-edit ko na siya nasa unit 6 na ako eh.
She said she using Mercury because she already unit 6. That's why after that she will use the Pro.
You say if the PowerPoint and then something change
Then
then
sabi mo daw kasi nagbabago yung ano.
position or something.
Nag-change siya talaga.
Oo, kayo na pag-print. Pero ngayon, pero pa eh.
Tapusin ko muna dito, tapos gagamitin ko yung Adobe, tapos i-change ko mamaya.
She will use also after she change it in PDF, she will use the Pro.
So if like this, she will check again, go back one by one check. Double work.